This is a video of my fidget cube by Antsy Lab. On the spin dial it says fidget cube and it has the Antsy Lab logo right there on the top. You can see it's number 672. So on here you have the die which you press. You have the gear function. You have the rollerball which also presses in. Switch. Now on these ones you can see the joystick is a lot lower than the fake ones and it does move a lot better. The spin on this one is a bit harder to move. I have to wear that in. And then you have the breathe stone on it. I waited absolutely ages to get this. Compared to the knockoff fidget cubes and the original Antsy Lab fidget cube, there's not much difference, to be honest, with the ones that I have got. I have got various fidget cubes which I will upload when I've got the time.